is racist. There's no doubt about it. You base your conclusion upon somebody's ethnicity. Let me tell you one thing. I'm also half Dutch. My Dutch government is very much with the U.S. government, and they both want China to be in a war, and they both are pushing the Philippines to be the venue for that war, because we in the Netherlands are not going to send soldiers, neither is the United States. You guys, take a good picture of Ukraine, hang it above your bed, so every morning when you wake up, you will know and understand what war is actually doing in the world. And that is actually what you are being pushed for. And stop saying that people like me are lying when it is obviously that your media is lying. Anyway, let me know what you in the comments what you think of all this. But please keep it respectful. We are not uncivilized liars like some people of some media platforms in the Philippines. This was your favorite half Chinese.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mel Tiangco at nais ko pong humingi ng paumanhin sa ngalan ng buong team ng 24 Oras. Nakapaglabas po kami ng impormasyon na hindi tama at nagdulot ng kalituhan at kaguluhan. Hindi po namin intensyon na magpalaganap ng maling balita at taos-puso po kaming humihingi ng paumanhin sa taong bayan. Ang aming layunin po ay maghatid ng tumpak at mapagkakatiwalaang balita. Sisikapin namin na itama ang aming pagkakamali sa pamamagitan ng